Hey SSBeauty, in today's episode we're discussing the perfect hygiene routine so you can smell amazing all day long. Smelling good makes you feel confident. It's like an invisible part of your outfit. Most people think a quick 5-minute shower, brushing, and a spritz of deodorant is enough, but honestly, that's just the bare minimum. If you want to smell fresh, clean, and put together from morning to night, you've got to level up your grooming game. So let's break down a routine that actually works. Let's start at the top with hair. Daily workouts, sweat, and pollution can build up bacteria on your scalp. And just rinsing with water won't cut it. It might actually dry your scalp out. Go in with a gentle shampoo, massage it in to really lift out the grime. Then rinse. Now here's where a lot of guys stop. A conditioner is the key to soft, clean-smelling hair. Apply the conditioner from mid-length to the ends, gently scrunch it in, and leave it on for 5 minutes. Next, body care. Now in the shower, don't just soap and rinse, target the places that need it. Start with a bar soap to deep clean. Then switch to a body wash with similar scent notes to your cologne. That way, you're already building a scent profile before even stepping out. After stepping out of the shower, take a cotton pad and swipe a little glycolic acid under the arms. It helps kill odor causing bacteria. Now, big tip here. Before applying deodorant, make sure your body is completely dry. Dry skin helps deodorant stick better, which means it works harder and smells fresher for longer. This is the step most guys skip, and it's a game changer. Using a scented body lotion keeps your skin hydrated and acts like a base layer for your fragrance. Go for one that complements your cologne. Just a few pumps, and you're locked in. Alright, final step, your fragrance. Spray it on pulse points, wrists, neck, a bit behind the ears. And remember, less is more. You want to leave a subtle trail, not overpower the room. Think of it as your signature. It should say you were here, but quietly. And last but not least, don't forget these basic hygiene tips. Brush and floss daily. Keep your breath fresh by brushing twice a day and flossing once daily. Tongue scraping? Use a tongue scraper every morning to remove bacteria that cause bad breath. Trim and wash facial hair. Keep your beard or mustache clean and well-groomed, as hair can trap odor. So that's the full smell good all-day routine from scalp to scent. It's not about doing more, it's about doing it right. Smell good, feel good, every single day. Subscribe to SSBeauty for more tips.